It turned out to be food for the soul. Food for the soul. Food for the soul.
My first time on the bus. I'm kind of scared, so let's just go together.
When I first experienced the world of electronic music, my perspective shifted. A community of people so connected on this energetic wavelength, with an undenying love and connection to the music. It turned out to be food for the soul.
Hi guys, good morning. So today is an exciting day because I'm gonna be going to the Microsoft office here in Nigeria, Lagos. So I got invited for this impromptu event. I really don't know what I'm gonna be doing there. I don't know. Normally I'm supposed to be nervous, but I am excited. So I'm on my way there. I'm gonna see if I can vlog it. They will let me use my phone to take videos. If not, then this vlog is cancelled. So I don't know. Let's go. How did I end up here? Only God knows. So guys, see you. Bye.
Son como las 2 de la mañana y no sé qué hacer. Recuerdo el sabor que dejaban tus labios, eran dulcitos como la miel. Y al despertar siempre te vas, eres fugaz, ya me acostumbré, buscando respuestas que ya las sé. Es mejor que no vuelva aunque mi corazón te prefiere. Vivo ahogando mi pena en los labios de otras mujeres. Si mañana pasa por tu mente llamarme, es obvio, no voy a contestar. Yo sé que eso está mal y me cuesta aceptarlo, pero lastimas, me lastimas. Y es la verdad, me cuesta aceptarlo, pero bebé, tú lastimas. Es la verdad, baby, es la verdad. Me cuesta aceptarlo, pero tú a mí me lastimas.
at the Microsoft office. Oh my god. So yeah. So I got a free gift actually. Apart from the food they gave us. This. So yeah. That's really good. Wow. Like the sauce on the chicken was really prepared well. Tastes so good. This from the event. So guys, I just came back and oh my god, it has been such an eventful day. Today was so fun. I really enjoyed the event. It was amazing. I made a lot of new friends and it was so nice. I mean, I got a new, not even a new because I didn't have anyone before. I was gifted this cooler pad, which is it's a notebook stand and a cooling pad, so something I can use to place on my laptop on, and it also cools the laptop at the same time, which is really cool. Guys, I almost missed this, but I got it. So they were sharing it, I was not there, but I asked and they gave me, so it's so nice. Oh my god, I wasn't even expecting any of this. We got food and drink, so I'm just coming back. Guys, it was really fun. I really enjoyed it.